Introducing the 1976 United States Bicentennial Eisenhower Dollar coin, a coin with a jaw-dropping value of $400,000. Yes, you heard that right. This seemingly ordinary piece of pocket change holds a secret that has collectors and enthusiasts across the world buzzing with excitement. What exactly makes this coin so special? And why are numismatists willing to pay a fortune to own it? Stay with me, because by the end of this journey, you'll discover the mysterious history, hidden features, and astonishing stories that make the Bicentennial Eisenhower Dollar a true legend in the world of coin collecting. Picture this. It's the year 1976. The United States is celebrating its 200th anniversary, 2 centuries since the signing of the Declaration of Independence. Across the country, patriotic fever is sweeping the nation. Fireworks light up the sky, parades march down Main Street, and the spirit of freedom is on full display. To commemorate this momentous occasion, the United States Mint did something extraordinary. For the first time ever, they issued special bicentennial coins, quarters, half dollars, and of course, the iconic Eisenhower dollar. But the story of this coin goes much deeper than just a celebration. The Eisenhower dollar itself had been circulating since 1971, featuring the bold profile of President Dwight D. Eisenhower on the obverse. But in 1975 and 1976, the Mint suspended the regular design to issue a commemorative version. On the reverse, the familiar eagle on the moon was replaced with a dramatic image, the Liberty Bell superimposed over the moon, a powerful symbol of America's freedom and its achievements in space. But what makes the 1976 Bicentennial Eisenhower dollar so valuable? Why would anyone pay $400,000 for a coin that millions of Americans once used to buy a cup of coffee or a bus ticket? Here's where the story takes a thrilling turn. Among the millions of Bicentennial Eisenhower dollars minted, a tiny handful possess unique characteristics that elevate them from common coins to priceless treasures. These coins are the holy grail for numismatists, the rarest of the rare, with a backstory shrouded in mystery, luck, and historical intrigue. Let's dive into the world of rare coin varieties. In the minting process, errors and special editions sometimes slip through the cracks. For the Bicentennial Eisenhower dollar, most coins were struck in copper-nickel clad, but a select few were minted in 40% silver, intended for collectors. Even rarer still are coins with special proof or uncirculated finishes, coins struck at different mints with unique markings, and coins that bear the unmistakable signs of a minting error. Double strikes, off-center images, or mismatched dies. These are the coins that set collectors' hearts racing. But the $400,000 Bicentennial Eisenhower dollar is in a league of its own. Imagine finding a coin in your pocket change, only to discover that it's one of a handful known to exist, an ultra-rare prototype, a coin struck on the wrong metal planche, or a coin with a dramatic error that makes it one of a kind. For example, there are stories of Eisenhower dollars minted in 1976, but bearing unusual characteristics, coins that were never meant to leave the mint, coins whose very existence is a tantalizing secret known only to a select few experts. Numismatists, or coin collectors, spend years hunting for these elusive treasures. They study the tiniest details, mint marks, edge inscriptions, the texture of the metal, the sharpness of the strike, and even the way the coin sounds when dropped. Every detail matters, because it could be the key to unlocking a coin's true value. Let's talk about what gives a rare coin its astronomical value. First, rarity is everything. The fewer examples known to exist, the higher the demand. Second, the coin's condition is paramount. Coins graded as mint state or proof by professional grading services like PCGS or NGC command the highest prices. A single blemish or scratch can mean the difference between a $10 coin and a 6-figure fortune. Third, the coin's story. The provenance, the mystery, the connection to history, all add to its allure. Consider the most famous Bicentennial Eisenhower dollars ever discovered. In 2008, a collector uncovered a 1976 Eisenhower dollar struck on a silver planche intended for a different denomination. Experts authenticated the coin, and its unique pedigree sent shockwaves through the numismatic community. Bidding wars erupted at major auctions. The coin eventually sold for an eye-popping $400,000, a price that stunned even the most seasoned collectors. Why would someone pay such a sum? Because owning a coin like this is more than just possessing a piece of metal. It's holding history in your hand, a tangible link to America's past, a testament to the mysteries and marvels of the mint. It's a story you can pass down for generations, a treasure that grows in legend with every retelling. But the Bicentennial Eisenhower Dollar's story doesn't end with its value. It's also a symbol of American ingenuity and unity. The reverse design competition drew entries from artists across the nation. Ultimately, Dennis R. Williams, a 22-year-old art student, saw his vision, Liberty Bell and Moon, chosen as the winning design. Imagine being a young artist and seeing your work immortalized on millions of coins, circulating in the hands of your fellow citizens, a part of daily life. For collectors, the Eisenhower dollar offers endless fascination. Some seek out every mint mark, Philadelphia, Denver, San Francisco. Others hunt for coins in original government packaging, untouched by human hands since they left the mint. Still others look for coins with the elusive Type 1 or Type 2 reverse designs, each with subtle differences that only the trained eye can spot. And then there are the mysteries. How many ultra-rare error coins are still out there, waiting to be discovered? Could there be another $400,000 coin hiding in an old collection, a forgotten box, or even in your pocket change? The thrill of the hunt keeps collectors searching year after year. Now, you might be wondering, how can you tell if you have a valuable Bicentennial Eisenhower dollar? Here are a few tips. First, check the coin's composition. Most are copper-nickel, but 40% silver coins are worth more. Look for the S mint mark, indicating it was struck at the San Francisco Mint. These are often collector editions. Examine the coin's condition. Uncirculated and proof coins fetch the highest prices. And pay close attention to unusual features. Errors, double strikes, and off-metal coins are worth a closer look. If you think you found something special, get it authenticated by a reputable grading service. They'll examine your coin under magnification, confirm its authenticity, and assign it a grade. A high-grade, rare variety could be worth a life-changing sum. But the real magic of coin collecting isn't just in the money, it's in the stories, the history, and the sense of adventure. Every coin is a miniature time capsule, a piece of art, and a mystery waiting to be solved. The Bicentennial Eisenhower dollar, with its bold design and hidden secrets, is the perfect symbol of that magic. So, the next time you come across an old coin, don't dismiss it as pocket change. Look closer. Feel the weight. Admire the design. Imagine where it's been and how it might have traveled through history. You never know. You might be holding the next great discovery, a coin with a story that could change your life. If you've enjoyed this journey into the world of rare coins, and if you want to learn more about the secrets and stories behind the coins in your collection, make sure to subscribe to Coin Value Guide. Here, we uncover the hidden gems, the legends, and the values that make coin collecting one of the most fascinating hobbies on Earth. So, are you ready to start your own coin hunt? Remember, history is in your hands. Sometimes, all it takes is a closer look to unlock a treasure worth $400,000. Don't miss out on the next big discovery. Subscribe to Coin Value Guide now, and let's explore the world of valuable currency together. Your next great story could be just a coin away.